Brad Williams, XL Prime, just a collection or a ton of examples of VLOOKUP in its different capacities. Here, VLOOKUP. We're looking up whatever 1007 is in whatever column. T4, we're looking up 1007, B5 to C13. We're going to look up some kind of menu item, column 2. What's 0? It's an exact match. 0 equals false. True is equal 1. Crazy. I know, it just doesn't make sense. Here, if you want overkill, you want to play fancy and find a column, well, you can use the match. We're just going to try to find, the row within the column. Now, I know, it doesn't make any sense to me, but here's your lookup value, F5, 1, F5, menu item. Menu item here, where B4, D4, B4, B4, notice B4 to D4. We're looking for the column. That's our array, and then the match type is 0. So we want an exact match. Here we got pancakes. Now, can't you do the exact same thing right here? We're hard coding. We hard coded a number. You can do whatever you want. And we used 0. We used false. You can type in false, and it means an exact match. We're looking up G4. So we're looking up ourselves here. B5 to D13. B5, you didn't think you could do this, did you? You can look up 107 if it's in a different location, and you can actually look up the first column. False. Here, G4, again, G4, the same format. We're going to use an approximate match. I don't know why you do this, but notice we left it blank. What did we leave blank? We left the range lookup blank, and that's an approximate match, which is true. And we did the same thing here. We put in true, which is the approximate match. And I'm sorry, I said false over here. False is 0. False is 0. And then 1, it is true. True here is 1. True is 1. False, exact match. False is 0. True is 1. Here we have true. Okay, an approximate match. B5. B5. B, we're looking up B5. We get an approximate match. Yeah, all right. Makes sense. Okay, we're looking in B5, and then our table array, you can have a range. We can look internally within our list. And row 3. You look up G4, we're looking up some kind of 1007. Here's the range, 3, and then false. False is exact match. 1007. We have just this IFNA. Anyway, more housekeeping just to make sure you're staying on your toes. If you can master the internals of this, you can master all the newer tools. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.